Good day guys and welcome. In this one I will show you how to change text in Figma. So there are plenty of ways that you can change and customize your text. Let me walk you through it. So let us just firstly create the text. So press on this button or just use a keyboard and press on T. Let us create this. And now guys, let us type in text demo. Let me actually extend this so that it's bigger like that. All right, now move it onto the center. So as you can see, when I press on it, this panel on the right appears. And this entire panel is pretty much dedicated for changing our text in many ways. So we can change the position, right, alignment. We can change the rotation. We can rotate it if you want like this. We have the layout that you can change as well, which is pretty cool. Dimensions can be changed as well. Also the opacity. You can change the opacity, basically how transparent it gets or not. Also under typography, you can change the font if you want. This one's pretty cool. Let me actually make it a little bit bigger. Something's bugging out, I feel like. Let me change it more. So this one, for example. So as you can see, so there are many ways of changing your text. Also, you can add strokes, effects, and export it. Also, if you want to change the color, you can do that as well. Man, this actually reminds me of the text in Dark Souls. What does it say? You're dead or something like that. It doesn't matter. So you have vanished. So this is pretty much how this is done, guys. So pretty simple. Enjoy. This is how you change the text. If this was helpful, don't forget to support us with a thumbs up on the video and a subscription.